Hello, this will be my first video. I'll be playing Teardown. I'll be playing a bit of campaign and sandbox as well. Wait, no, not sandbox. I've got to download some mods here. I'm not sure if that's the plane map. I'm pretty sure that's the plane map. Yeah, this is it. This is it. So, be in the sandbox. So, oh, it's a bit laggy. Because it's a big, airplane. Got this for a second. Basically, okay. But these maps are always quite. It's about an FPS mod just because it's a bit laggy there. And when you do destroy it, it's really laggy. Yeah, that's better. So, what I want to do, then grab C4s. We turn down that sound a bit. It's a bit loud. Yeah, that's fair. Oh god. So, to explode, press K. My game's lagging. I'm not sure how big I made them. Oh god. Oh my god. Destroyed the plane. What I want to do is... Oh. I'm gonna get up here. Then just... Oh. I'm off. Oh, we have, a grapple. Oh, we did. Yeah, we make it back up here. So... Oh god. And we're dead. Oh wait, so it's still destroyed. That's good. I think you can even do... Right, that doesn't do that much. Oh yeah, hungry slimes. You just eat everything. What they basically do is they just eat through stuff. Right, destroy those. Throw a bomb. Might as well just C4s. I need to... Grapple is on 6. Right. Alright. Oh, it's getting laggy. Say we can use more C4. That's getting really laggy. Okay. Let's just do some campaign. I've played this game before, so I know what I'm doing. Oh god. Alright, pick up tools. Valuable. Pretty sure it's down here for the treasure is. The slimes eat this real quick. Yeah, just down here. A banana. Nice. So we get up by doing a bit of parkour here. Alright, there we go. Just crouch through here. That's powered them back on. So what you do in this game is you get these emails and then you get missions to do from people. Sounds fishy, but we need the money. Yeah, for that. And then you just go here, destroy the place, and later on in the game you get timed missions which you have to complete in a certain amount of time or you get caught by police, I think. So right now we can just take the bottom off that, so I get the slimes to destroy this bit. Right, that's good, that's good. Oh, propane tanks. Oh yeah, set this place on fire. Oh right, yeah, fires are a bad thing to drop. If there's too much fire in the mission, an alarm can go off and then you have to get out or just restart. There's. Right, that's good. We just gotta knock down. Here. Alright, there we go. Right, I've got C4. Oh, fire. Alright. Hey, there we go. Oh, it's still tall. There we go. So when you've done that, you just go out to the van. And that's you done. So the police have like caught on to us. So then we're going to do a favour first so she doesn't like arrest us, I'm guessing. History. Alright. Go here, here, and over here. Right, so yeah, one in here. Then we got another one here and there. Are these doors open? Real good. Money. I'm looking for this and the other room, this one. Right, and then go to this factory and the back over here. Should be just up here. Right, all good, all good. Let me go back to the van now. BT. The login devices. I think this is a timed mission. Not too sure. Yeah. Security rise after 60 seconds, so I've got to make a path. Like, just make a simple path before I start doing the mission. So there's one here, and one here. So I'm thinking we go here. And then somehow make our way over here. Or we start here, go here and then there. Yeah, I think I'll do that one first. use the grapple to open it. Right, that's good. So we just open these all the way, or just do that. So before we start this, we need to have a path to get to every single one and then get out here as soon as possible. Why do these doors now open? Broken? Must be locked. Looks all good. So, first one's right up here. So we take that first. Then I'd say we jump out this window. Get this, come this way. And we draw a path this way. So now we're going to get this one. Let's say go over this way. Up here. Cross. Then it should be, yeah, it's right in there. Over here we can just walk in, grab it. Right, so we grab that. We can walk here. There's one up there as well. So I'm thinking, once you get in here, grab that. Come this way. Draw an arrow. Hold in here. Actually, I'm not so sure about that. Don't go this way. I'm gonna go upstairs. So we go out this way, come here, then we jump in here, walk across, and then it's right in here. Right. So we jump in, go in this way, over here, and back that way, jump in here, jump here, and then we run back to our van. Right, let's try that then. First one, yeah, it's right in there. So we go in here, and now that we're ready, we just follow the yellow line. We just make sure. So we go across there, go in there. So go pick that up, go this way, that way, over here, jump through that window, grab that one, go through the door, over here, go in here, grab this, go in the railing, go this way, and then jump down here into the van. Right. Yeah, quick save as well. Go for that. Yeah, I got plenty of time. Here we go. Jump over. Oh, didn't make it. There we go. Made that. Want you two? What's this two? Yours. A blowtorch. Oh yes. Settings on fire. Good. Turn off the gas. No more coffee. bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina, and the board said there's no space on your dock. Can you use your demolition skills again to remove one of the timeshare? Oh, I remember this one. Right. Nice. Go ahead and do this one. West Point Marina. So there's also secondary targets. So it's tell me. So I'm pretty sure I've got to put the destroy proof of ownership by dumping safes. So you got to go in here, dump them in the ocean, then over here dump that in the ocean, and then there's also one here. There's a fire alarm, and large fires trigger the alarm. So I don't think there's any. I think we can just take our time with this one. So we'll go and get this one by the dock first. Oh. Binoculars. Nice. So in this house, the last one. Oh, we destroy it. Alright. Shouldn't be too hard. So just disconnect that from everything. Alright, that's good. So then we just go in the water. Cut off all these bits. Yep, and now it's sinking. All good, all good. Alright, it's too tall. Climb in the roof real quick. There we go. So that's one of them done. Alright, so that's the one we just destroyed here, and then this one's a safe, and then there's also a safe over here. I don't know if there will be an alarm, but if there is, we need to set up a plan. So we just make our way over here. And the last time I played, there behind this house there's boats, so we can go our way over there with boats. So it's upstairs. And here. Right here. There we go. So just throw this into the water. Put that right there. Luckily no alarm. So we just bring this over here. The reason for the secondary targets is I'm pretty sure they give you more money. Because the money can be used to upgrade your tools that you get. So just drag this into the water. Almost there. Alright, good. So now we take this, drive over here. To this warehouse. Just crash into here. Alright, good. Pretty sure it's just get us up there. Here? Yeah, right here. Oh, this is a heavy one. Should be all good though. There we go. So this one can go in the water as well. Oh, this one's a lot bigger than the house over there. Eat it? Nah, I can't. There we go, almost there. There we go. Into the water you go. Let's go for quick. Head back to the van. Eat everything. Hey, let's get out of here. Where's it? Oh, I done to. Oh, it's a boat run this time. We can use the bottle gun. Alright, there we go. I'm already here. I don't know why I'm up here. Let's go. Got oh yes. This is good. Alright. What's next? Some antics exploding. Alright, so in this one, there's wired alarm boxes. So you should get the secondary targets first. I don't think. No, wait, they do. So this boat has one of the cars. One of the cars are in here as well on a truck. So I bring this one around first. And over here. Right. So here's one of the boats. There's a car right here, which we need to bring with us. We need to aim this up to the bridge so we can just drive it when we're ready. Is that good? Just gonna have a look. So when we get in that, we just drive that out here. Oh, that's what it's used for. So we drive that into over here, into the back of this truck. I think that opens when you're driving the vehicle near it. Right, so then that's a start point. So we just go up here, and it'll be right in this room. That's the target, so then I'll quick save just in case I accidentally set off the alarm. Alright. So what we normally do is get that, go this way, then here, then we just take this boat. Then we get this boat, we drive it over there. Oh god, wait. Let's take that, drive this boat over there. Then... Oh, what do we do? Hang on. Use this boat real quick. Oh wait, this one's faster, this one's faster. Alright, here we go. So we get this right here over this way. This boat's faster. We'll take this boat, just go and have a look over there. Right, so we open this. A vehicle in the back of here. They drive us out of here? Right, good, good. Oh god. Drive us around here. Open that. Alright, we did now. I'd say put right here. So when we grab this, we go over to this boat, make our way over here, come up here. Might have to go back so I can exit real quick. Actually no. Alright, so we starts here, pick that up, come this way, let me get this boat. This boat sounds very odd. So then we come up here, come this way, run up here, run up this way, open the door, and then we grab that. And when we grab that, we run out of here, Is car working? No. Jump out of there. Say use this. Let's get in place. Oh good, oh good. Save delete that. So we get to land. We over here. Grab that. And down here. Do that, and then we drive that around. Right, let's try it. Pretty good. So now we just quick save. So this works. Oh god. No, this isn't gonna work. Then I might have an idea what I could do then. So with that ship right there, I'm gonna drive this up here real quick. We'll drive this over here. Then when we jump out like that, go up here. Like that. Drag that. And this way. To this ship. Should be good for driving still, yeah. Now we drive that over to that bridge over there. Just get in place. Right, this could work, this could work. So just drive this backwards now. Right, now we drove this backwards. Back in the house. Up the stairs. And then we'll quick save right here. Over here. Grab that. Get in the boat. Oh, but then how do I get up? Find a way, find a way. Up here. Grab this. Get this. Come on. Oh, no. So close. Alright, we'll try it again. Up here, around, grab that, out the window, go. Which so the first car's quite easy, it's just the second one which is a bit stuck. There we go. Grab you. Come on. No. S. Right again. There's a couple of tries. There we go. Grab this bolt. Yep. Stop here. Alright. Come on. Bro. I don't know why that didn't go in. Alright, let me... I want to try something. I've got a blowtorch now. Can I cut around the security? I just want to try that. Because there's a little box in these. So can I like just try cutting around that? Ah, wait. Ah. Just try this then. That doesn't work. Or we'll just keep trying it until we get it done then. Just that one part that's a bit stuck, so I'm just trying to speed it up a bit. There we go. And yes, made it. Finally. Well, that's been me today. That was quite good. Took me a couple of tries in the last mission. This will be my first episode that I've made in this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.